Oops. We just set that off in the parking lot of the hotel. Oops. Okay, how much longer before security comes out here? That was way bigger than I thought.
Okay, that was awesome, Taco Tuesday.
Good.
You guys blowing firecrackers over here?
No firecrackers. We let off a Taco Tuesday. It was very tame in the beginning, but then it started crackling.
Say again, I'm sorry?
It's called a Taco Tuesday. It's right behind you. On the ground behind you. It was like really little flames, like,
Is that
and all
from
of a
you
sudden,
guys, what I'm asking?
right at the end, it would pop,
Is
pop,
it
pop,
from
pop.
you guys?
Yeah.
Okay.
It was
You
we
can't
didn't
do that on our property.
we didn't know it was going to be like that.
You can't do anything like that on our
Okay,
property.
we won't do anything anymore.
Okay, in fact, the lieutenant will explain that to you right now.